Okay guys, so now it is time for ornaments, and that is the fun and exciting yet scary part. Let me show you. So right here I have my bins of Christmas ornaments all laid out. I'm going to be doing the darker shades of green, some blues. Now these are kind of cobalt blue. I did get some navy blue ornaments to mix in there. I'm going to add the gold. I am going to do different shades of green just to make it interesting. Then I have my silvers, and my whites. So I think what I'm going to do first is I want the green and the blue to be very, very dominant in this tree. I don't have them down here right now, but I'm going to be adding red to this tree also. So what I like to do is I get the storage bins that have these lids on them. So what I do is I fill up one lid per color of ornament that I want to use. That way they're all laid out for me. So I think what I'm going to do is, this is not everything I got. I should probably show you my problem here. I did some shopping. So as you can see, I have bags down here. This is the color blue that I'm actually going for. That dark kind of midnight blue. And then, let me see, there's a bag here somewhere that has the green in it. Yeah, see this darker shade of green? I really think that those two are going to go together pretty nicely. So I think I might actually start with these ones first and then fill in with ones that I have collected. Okay, so I just got all of the ornaments laid out, so let me show you kind of what I did. I'll give you a little bit of an idea. So as you can see, I have my green ones here, I have my blues. I did end up having to use some cobalt blue, but I don't know. I think they're going to mix okay. I have the whites laid out, then these are the decorative white ones. Here's some decorative blue, and there's the gold. So I want to get up close and personal and just kind of show you how I do my Christmas ornaments. So, as you can see, I go the whole way to the trunk. There's the trunk, there's my first ornament. And then see, what I do is I layer them. So see how you can see all of the different layers back there? Another thing I should mention is I kind of put the plainer ornaments in the back of the tree, and then as I work my way out, I get to the decorative ones. So I like to work by color, but I just have this set up for an example. Now, I also have spinning ornaments on this tree, and if you wondered what those were, I'm going to show you right here. See this ribbon? It is holding a motor on just for storage purposes. I'll probably go through and take these all out first. The tree is pre-lit. As you can see, this is where a light socket is. Now these spinners have an end on them. What the end of the spinner looks like, it fits right into the Christmas lights. So you have a socket right here. But what you do with this is you plug it into the end of the Christmas lights, and then you take this, because see, you don't want it hanging down like that, and you just take it and wrap it just like that. Now, I'll show you what this does. If you see on the end there, I can get it to focus. If you see on the end there, there is a little tiny hook on there. What you do is you kind of wait for the hook to come around to where you're at, put the ornament on there, and you have a spinning ornament. I have 16 on the tree, and I leave them on through storage. I don't take them out, but these only work on incandescent lights, so keep that in mind. If your tree is LED, you may want to run an extra string of lights through your tree and you'll be set. So now what I think I'm going to do is, since I'm not going to put that much red on my tree, I think I'm going to run through and put that all on there, and then I'm going to go through each color separately and put it on just so it's evenly distributed. So I'll come back and show you how that looks. Okay, so just to give you an update, this is where I'm at with my Christmas tree. As you can see on here, so far I have a lot of the plain ornaments on the tree. And yes, it is beautiful, but I need more magic on this tree than what we already got going. So look what I did. So of course I've been using my plain colored ornaments, but I just sat out all of my glammy, sparkly, decorated ornaments. And I mean, like, yeah, some of them don't look too fancy, but that's like a mercury glass. So I have them all laid out. They all have hooks on them. And they're ready to go. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add them. See, like this space how I have the plain ornaments? I did kind of start adding some extra ones. Now I can go in and fill in like these kind of spaces with the beautiful ornaments. Just going to add more interest. And as you can see, I have red in the tree. I may actually be adding more of it. I just kind of have it in the center right now. So I think I have some small red ornaments that I can kind of bring out towards the edge. I'm going to try it. If I don't like it, I'm going to switch some things around. So here's a little before. And I will come back after I add some of the decorative ornaments to the tree. Also, these are some new ornaments that I got. So from here, this little like chunk in here, this is from Shinoda. Oh, that snowflake is too. And then pretty much the rest of this is all from Hobby Lobby.
I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnuts roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways,